I'm going to show you a new AI workflow that feels like a cinema, starting from one intentional frame and turning it into a polished shot. This video is sponsored by Higgsfield. Higgsfield is one of the fastest growing Gen AI platforms. And just now they launched Cinema Studio, a creator-first workflow built for cinematic intent. No complicated prompting. I will show you how to use it and create some fun stuff with it, step by step. So now I will make a LoFi style video. So I will put this prompt right here. So the cozy LoFi study room at night, a focused student at a desk using a laptop, rain on the window, warm desk lamp, soft shadow, cinematic composition, shallow depth of a field, ultra realistic film-like texture, clean frame, no text. And now you can go and put here the focal length 24. For the camera you can go and put the Panavision, and here you can stay with airy. No, hit generate. So when you generated an image like this, you can go and animate and put it on the start frame. It will automatically switch to the video and put it on the start frame here. Now you can go and select movements here. So if you want the static, handheld, zoom out, zoom in, camera follows, pan left, Dolby in, Dolby out, and everything like that, I want the zoom in. So when you select the zoom in, you can close that. Go to the duration, you can make it 10 seconds. The audio can be on or off, what do you like, and slow motion off or on if you like the slow motion, and click the generate. So when generating is finished, you will have something like this. I think this is the great start of the LoFi video, and this is easily repeatable process. Most AI video tools feels like a gambling. You prompt, you pray, you iterate forever. Cinema Studio flips it. You start with a strong frame, composition, lighting, lens, then extend it into a motion with a real cinematic camera moves. That means consistent without brute force iteration. There is one rule, one strong focal point. Don't overcrowd the frame. If your start frame is weak, your video will never feel cinematic. This is where it starts to feel like a real previs. Shot design first, movement second. Now for the second thing I want to show you, I will make a sci-fi film with a futuristic corridor, glossy metallic floor, cinematic lighting with blue accents, a lone figure in the distance, dramatic composition, high contrast, film grain, ultra realistic, no text. So let's generate one of those images. So select the film camera or this one, IMAX film. This is also great. And for the lens, we can stay on Canon or RA signature. We will take the RA signature and generate. So here's our first frame. We will go and put it in the start frame. Movements, let's keep it this way, so nothing selected, and put the prompt here, slowly dolly forward, slight camera shake, suspenseful tone, stable subject silhouette. Sound on, 10 seconds, that's all great. And hit generate. Just look at this. This is like a shot just from a film. So imagine what you can do with this AI. Imagine that person comes to the end, another shot is filmed from there, and you just got yourself a film, 8 to 10 shots, and you have a full microfilm. But I want to show you another way you can use this AI. Go to the image, delete that prompt, and put this one. So you can make ads with this AI. So premium product shot of a sleek black smartwatch on a clean reflective surface. So let's generate this. So let's see what he created. This is just an image of the, I would say, Apple Watch. And now go and animate it and put it on the start frame. So on start frame, delete this prompt and put this one. Slow orbit around the product, smooth motion, keep sharp focus, cinematic lighting, preserved. Don't select any movements and just hit generate. So let's see what he created. Just look at this. Imagine if you have a dropshipping website or something, and you put the product here and he generates something like this, and you don't even have to record that yourself. You just put your image here, make your image better if you want, put it on start frame, you can add the end frame and make the masterpiece. Just imagine how much this can make your sales go up, because it looks like a legit product. Cinema Studio competes with tools like Link, Vio-style workflows, but the difference here is the leverage. Camera plus lens profiles plus movement presets that actually works. So you get a consistent cinematic result with less friction. My workflow is simple. I generate multiple shots, curate the best takes, then assemble all of them in the CapCut into a real film. If you want a full microfilm, generate 8 to 12 shots like this, then stitch them into a real story. If you want to try this AI tool, I will leave the link down below. Also check this. This is the first AI trailer. It's actually fire. And then create your own. If you want me to make a full AI film tutorial using only Cinema Studio, comment AI film and genre you want. Don't forget to check the link in the description, and see you in the next one.